हरिः कन्ना।
So far we have seen and understand the difference between a mathematician, a statistician, then an analyst and a data scientist. So now we will be looking into the difference between analytics and statistics. So analytics and statistics are not substitutes, but they are they complement each other, but they complement each other. Okay, and if analytics is the best tool, then statistics provides a framework for understanding sources of uncertainty. So analytics is equals to applied statistics plus a domain expertise for plus a logical thinking. So the most important aspect of analytics is a domain expertise plus logical thinking. Without a domain expertise and logical thinking, you cannot come up with a conclusion. So that is the reason analytics is not just a simple graphs and bringing out some patterns. That's okay, that's also part of it, but it will make a business sense when you have the domain expertise to understand the patterns, to grasp the patterns, and to convert the patterns into a business case, and then to convert and to make it profit out of that patterns to our company. So that's where the analytics thrive. That's how the analytics thrived. So analytics is equals to applied statistics, domain expertise, and logical thinking. All three together is known as analytics. So with this, we can clearly say, in spite of saying analytics versus statistics, analytics and statistics, because analytics and statistics complement each other. So then data analytics or data analysis and data analytics are often treated as interchangeable terms, but they hold a slightly different meanings. Essentially, the primary difference between analytics and analysis is a matter of scale, as data analytics is a broader term of which data analysis is a subcomponent. Data analysis refers to the process of examining, transforming, and arranging a given data set in specific ways in order to study its behavior, study its individual parts, and extract useful information. So data analytics is an overarching science or discipline that encompasses the complete management of data. So this is not only includes analysis, but also data collection, organization, storage, and uh, all the tools and techniques used. So now we will see some of the tools and techniques that we use for analysis or analytics. So most widely used one are on left, Tableau, Power BI, then NIME. So most of the product based, even our company in Volvo also we use NIME, and you have a Google Fusion tables, then Google search operations, and few more Power BI, and we use R and ClickView and few more tools for the data analytics. So just to sum up uh, the statistics and analytics and statistics are two related but distinct fields that both deal with data and analysis. Statistics is the branch of mathematics that deals with the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization of data. So it involves methods such as hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and probability theory to analyze data and make inferences about populations based on samples. On other side, analytics is the process of using data and statistical and quantitative analysis and predictive modeling to discover insights, patterns, and trends in data, and then using those insights to inform decision making, using those insights to make informed decision making. So analytics often involves using machine learning algorithms, data mining techniques, and big data technologies to analyze and understand data. So analytics is used in many fields including marketing, finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. So in summary, while statistics is primarily concerned with the analysis and interpretation of data, analytics is concerned with using statistical methods and models to extract insights from data and inform decision making. This is very important. Both statistics and analytics are important fields in data analysis, and they often work together to provide a comprehensive understanding of data. So, in conclusion, there is no war between analytics versus statistics, though it seems like Ram and Bhim in Triple R, but they complement each other at the end of the story in that movie. At the end of the movie in that story, similarly, the same happens. Analytics and statistics complement each other like Ram and Bhim.